Documents such as diplomas, academic transcripts, and degrees must meet the following qualities. Your documents must be authentic. You must submit the original documents personally. Some American universities and colleges may require your original educational documents mailed by your school directly to them. Your educational documents must be translated and certified for evaluation. Evaluation is made by the university or college, or they may ask you to get an evaluation report from one of the foreign credential evaluation services called evaluation service or agency in short. Certified translation process. Your translation must be word for word. That means that no single word or data can be added, deleted, or modified during translation. Translation should be in a format similar, but not necessarily to the original document. Here, the content of your document is more important, as evaluation will be based on its content rather than on its format. Translation must be made without any evaluation or interpretation. Translation is followed by evaluation. During evaluation, your degrees and courses are converted for the purpose of finding their equivalency in U.S. educational system so that you can continue your education at the right level. Grading systems in many countries are not based